See, today we will continue the lesson, the bond of love. So we had seen in the last lesson that suddenly what happens to the bear? Rushed to the hospital, isn't it? Because it was the poison it has drunk, isn't it? We'll continue. A dash back to the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stumps, but clearly weakening rapidly, some vomiting, heavy breathing with the heavy flanks and gaping mouth. So still he started vomiting. Hold him, everybody. It goes the hypodermic. Bruno speaks 10 Celsius of the antidote enters. So 10 minutes, that injection was given to him, isn't it? He looks as it is an asthmatic within Baron carbonate to a big black beer like a Bruno is still eating. Then slowly he started eating and that was not sufficient for him, isn't it? Up to there we had come to the last class. Now we continue. At that time he would find 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the stump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapon against the windows of terminate. So second time the medicine kept for the destruction of terminates. Terminates means citadel. That also he had taken. That is the engine oil. He promptly drank a lot, but he had no ill effects for it. So that also, without knowing, he drank the whole thing, but nothing happened to him. The months rolled on. Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. So now, when brought, it was only a baby, and now slowly years had passed, and he started growing up. He had equalized the Alsatian in height and had even overgrown him. That means Alsatian dogs are very big in size, isn't it? So now the growth of bear also was equal to it, but still it seems to be he had grown more than the Alsatian. But was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful. Even though he had grown, that mischievous and playing was there in Bruno. And he was very fond of a soft bird. He loved my wife and she loved him too. So the narrator is saying the animal loved whom the most is wife, isn't it? And the same love was given to him by her also. Above all, he loved my wife and she loved him too. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba. And from Bruno in the beginning, the name was given as Bruno. And now she started calling him as Baba. It is sunny birds signify small bird. What's the meaning of this? Small bird. Because it is very mischievous. It is very mischievous and at the same time playful also. So and loved a lot, isn't it? So instead of calling Bruno, she called Baba. Baba means small bird. And he could do a few tricks too. At the command Baba, whistle, Baba box, he vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. So if it is being called you wrestle, if somebody coming near close to him, he used to do the same. Give him a stick and say Baba, hold a gun, and he pointed to stick, give him the gun, a stick to him and say him, it is a gun. Then he will do the same as if a gun is being used for shooting. Understood? That is pointing forward. Ask him Baba, where is the baby? He immediately produced and cradled affectionately a slump of food and the wood is given which is symbolized as a baby. Then where is your baby? If it is being asked, he will do the cradling of that wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. But because of the tenant's children, poor Bruno Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. So why he is chained? Why he is chained? Why he is chained? Because now what about the Bruno? The size of the Bruno is very big and he has grown, isn't it? Not a baby now. And there are many children also, especially the bear is a wild animal, isn't it? And so, whoever is being looked after it or kept as a pet, still the nature of the wild animal is different from that of the domesticated animal, isn't it? So this animal was growing bigger and at the same time, many children are around that house. So the whole day he is being under Then my son and I advised my wife and friends, advised her to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. So everyone feeling afraid of this bear, isn't it? Because it is now growing and naturally what nature comes to that animal, the wild nature comes to that animal, isn't it? That means the attacking attitude will start to grow, isn't it? So everyone was very cautious about it. They are frightened. They asked that Bruno has to be put to the zoo, had to be sent to the zoo. He was getting too big to keep at home, so it is not the real thing to keep a growing bear at home. After some time, some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. So in the beginning and all, she was not willing to send him to the zoo, but after many saying, she understood. Hardly, and before she could manage and change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo, curator, the authority of the zoo. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? He replied yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was part of. The zoo is about 87 miles. That is in Mysore. So she was now the Bruno has to travel how many miles? 87 miles and reach to the Mysore Zoo. Because they had written to the authority asking whether they are able to keep a tamed bear in the zoo, and they said yes. So he has to be sent to the zoo. Now understood why that bear was not kept at home? Because it is a wild animal, and that wild animal is different from the domesticated animals. It's a domestic animals because their nature is always wild only. That means they are having the tendency of attacking, isn't it? They are having the tendency of attacking. So naturally, if there are many children all around the house, and if it happens, it is more dangerous, isn't it? Because nobody is allowed to keep a wild animal at home. We all missed him. So now finally he was sent to the zoo in Mysore. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were revealed. My wife was inconsolable. She could not console herself because that much attachment was there between she and Bruno. She wept and fretted. So all the time she spent her time crying. For the first few days she could not eat a thing. Then she wrote a letter, number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Baba came. Back came the replies. Well, but threatening, he refuses food. So the same thing happened to Bruno also. After sending him to the zoo, the same animal missing his master. So he also was not eating properly, all the time sitting only. Understood now? So both are having that attachment. So now that attachment is being separated. So both are feeling low. Clear to you? After their friends visited Mysore, they begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. So now, if anybody, any of their friends are going to Mysore, they used to send a message to them. What was the message? Just to go to the zoo and see what's the condition of the animal. They reported that he was looked very thin and sad. So they came and said that okay, he is okay, but he became very thin and sad. Why he became thin? Why was he thin? Because he was not eating food, isn't it? And sad means always thinking about his master, isn't it? All the keepers in the zoo said he was fretting. That means all the time he was just sitting without taking any food. That happiness is not there in the animal. For 3 months I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. For 3 months the narrator and his wife did not go to the zoo. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself in bus or train. So I took her by car. So after 3 months, one day, she was not able to control herself. So one day she said that she wanted to see Baba. That means they have to visit to the zoo in Mysore. So then she said, if you are willing, you can take me in the car or I can go by bus. So the narrator took her in the car. So now now they decided to go and visit who? Baba. Friends had a contingent that the bear would not recognize her. So everybody said that after a long time, after more than 3 months, isn't it? So now when you go now, the bear will not understand you. I had thought so. So she also thought the same only, isn't it? Because now the animal must have forgotten their face, isn't it? But while she was yet some yards from the cage, Baba saw her and recognition. But before she could reach to the cage of Bruno from a far distance itself, Bruno understood her, recognized her, and was happy. He howled with happiness. That means he started making sound, showing his happiness. She ran up to him, petted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. So she ran as soon as saw the narrator's wife coming. Bruno felt happy himself. He was jumping. He was showing his excitement inside the cage. So seeing him, she also ran to him and patted him on his head through the cage because he is put inside the cage. Friends had, for the next 3 hours, she would not leave the cage. She gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream and water. So all the things she had carried to him because in the home also, she used to give each and everything to him. Then closing time came, that means now they had to leave the zoo and we had to leave. My wife cried bitterly, so when it was time for her to leave, she started crying. Baba cried bitterly, even the hardened curator and the keepers were felt depressed. So seeing them crying, also crying, what happened? Both the animal as well as the masters, they both started crying, and this seems to others also feel sad. As for me, I had reconciled myself to what I know was going to happen next. So she understood what will happen next. Oh please sir, she said to the curator, may I have my Baba back? Hesitatingly he answered, madam, he belongs to the zoo and the government property now. I cannot give away government property, but if my boss or superintendent at Bangalore agrees, certainly you may have him back. So she asked the curator that she wanted to take him back to home, isn't it? So once the animal is given to the zoo, it belongs to the government, isn't it? After getting all the giving the application and getting taking that that means giving the superintendent allowing them to put the animal over there. After that only permission is given, the permission, then only the animal was put in the cage. So from that time onwards, the animal belongs to the government, isn't it? From the personal person, it has been taken by the government. So the permission again, who has to give? The government has to give the permission to take the animal back. Understood now? So he said that you can ask to the superintendent of the government and the headquarters is in Bangalore. And if they agree, I am ready to give the animal back. They followed the return journey to Bangalore. So from there, Mysore, they straight away went to Bangalore and they visit to the superintendent. A tearful pleading, Baba and I are both fretting from each other for each other. Means we both are wanted to be once again together. We both are missing them, isn't it? Missing very badly. Will you please give him back to me? So please give me back my drone. He was a kind-hearted man and considerate. So hearing that he was a kind person and he understood how much sad who was suffering, narrator's wife, as well as the animal also, because for a long time they did not have enough food also, isn't it? They were not happy to have food also. He was not only that, but he wrote to the curator telling him to lend us a cage for transporting the bear to Bangalore. So now they have to bring it back, isn't it? So what did they do? They arranged a cage for him. Back we went to Mysore again. Again they went back to the Mysore because they have to give their permission, ticket, notice to the authorities. He said that way they will give the animal to them. Agreed with the superintendent's letter. Baba was driven into a small cage and posted on top of the car. The cage was tied securely and the slow and careful return were into Bangalore was accomplished. So on top of the car carriage of the car, that a cage was placed and it was tied up very tightly, and now the return journey to Bangalore. So now did Bruno is coming back to his home? Yes. Once home, a squad of police were, so in the home how the preparation was made for him. A police were engaged for special work in a compound. Some workers, police means workers. An island was made for Baba. A separated area was made for him. It was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide and was surrounded by a 30 feet long, 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. This was the place where the what was made for the animal to live. A wooden box that once housed fowls were brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep at night. So the daytime he will be in that deep pit, and in the night he will come to that house and sleep. Wooden box, yes. Straw was placed inside to keep him warm, and the baby was carried stumped along with his gun. Gun is the stick, piece of bamboo, and the baby is the wood. Both of which had been sentimentally preserved since he had been sent back to the zoo where put in the back of to play with. So those things which he used to play, that is the stick for the gun and the wood for the baby, he said those things were kept safely for him because they could not part it. Why? Because those are the things whom Bruno loved so much and he was playing with. So once when he came back, those things also was given to him for playing. Understood? In a few days, the coolies posted the cage onto the island. After finishing all that work, the cage was put inside the island and Baba was released. He was put up and he was now free. He is not now in the box, so he is free to roam about in that island. Island made for artificial island made for him. Understood? He was delighted. Now he became very happy. Standing on his inlets, he pointed his gun and cradled his baby. He started playing with the stick, showing as a gun and the wood as the baby. My wife spent hours sitting on the chair there while he sat on her lap. He was 15 months old and pretty heavy now. So now he is about 15 months old. So it is now a grown-up bird which is very heavy also. The way my wife reaches the island and lives, it is very interesting. She has to go into the, because it is the deep, isn't it? About 7 feet deep. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree with a loop on its hand. So the rope was put on the branch of the mango tree with a loop. And what she will do, putting one foot on the loop, she kicks off with the other to build the 6-foot gap that connects the width of the surrounding pit. Then with the help of the wood, she will come straight to the island where the Bruno is left. The return journey is made the same also, again standing on the loop, going back to the through the branch of the mango tree, she will reach to the other side. The return journey is made the same, but who can say now that the sloth bear has no sense of affection, no memory and no individual characteristics. But it is said that every animal is having its own affection, memory and individual character. That means each animal, whoever is taking care of them, they are very much concerned about that particular master, isn't it? Because that will remain in the memory of that animal, whether it is a baby or a grown-up. Because from very small baby, it was brought home by her and fed, given all kinds of food to him, looked after him as her own child, isn't it? And that affection and love is there between them, the master as well as the animals, isn't it? So once after, because it is growing, a bear is a dangerous animal. It cannot be kept in the place where there are so many people are living, especially children are there, isn't it? So everyone got frightened of the growth of this big animal, and so they said it is time for putting him to the zoo, isn't it? So because after seeing that it is very dangerous, the narrator's wife, she understood that suppose if anything happens, it will be a great crime for them, isn't it? So they understood, and with a half mind, she decided to send him to the zoo. And he was sent to the zoo, but she could not live without him. Missed him a very lot. The same thing happened to that animal also. The memory was there in that animal about his master, how she was looking after him. Everything was there. So he also felt the same. That means he also did not feel to be happy over there. He also neglected food. He also did not want to take food. So the size of the animal became very thin. And all the time worrying only, isn't it? So in both cases, the master as well as the animal, both were worrying, both were missing each other, isn't it? And for 3 months she controlled herself, but after that she could not. So she asked her husband to go and have a visit, isn't it? And they decided, and at that time many of her friends had said that the animal will not recognize you, because now about more than 3 months are over, isn't it? The animal is an animal only, so sometimes it will not remember you. But at her very sight itself, even though it is not very near, at a far distance, animal could understand who is the person there, and it felt very happy inside the cage. She also felt the same, isn't it? Cat came and patted him, and both became happy again. So at that moment, again she could not leave the animal there and go back. She wanted to take the animal along with her, isn't it? Again she cannot control herself. So they asked the permission of the government to leave it back to him, to them only, isn't it? And they had returned, they got the permission, and they brought back the animal, and a separate place, shelter was given to that animal. And with all that, how he was being looking at home, the same thing happened again and again. So now both the animal as well as the master felt happy. Understood now? So it is, we cannot say that as both animal who had been in the forest cannot keep the memory of the person who had looked after them, isn't it? Even the animals that we are keeping at home, are they not showing that kindness? Are they not showing that love? Yes, of course, they also show the same love, isn't it? Once if we try to put them out of the house, what will they do? They will try to get inside only. They will not run away, isn't it? They will try to get inside only. Leaving the place and going somewhere, it is very difficult for them also. So animals are also having the same memory and the individual characteristics also. That means seeing their master or recognizing their master who had given them the same love and affection. Clear to you? So now we come to the end of that lesson. Bond of love. Yes, the bond of love. Then the question answers are there. Answer the following. I got him for her by accident. Who says this? Who do him and her refer to? What is the incident referred to here? Him is Bruno the bear, and her is the author's or narrator's wife. He stood on his head in delight. Who did he did? That means after a long time seeing the master, isn't it? So he was standing on his head. That means showing that happiness. Why was he delighted? Because once again he is seeing his master. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were revealed. That means leaving him at the sun revealed me. Keeping a wild animal at home is dangerous. So there is no right to keep wild animals at home. In that case, they were revealed because it has been given to the zoo. Understood? At the same time, they are very sad also, because after a long time keeping at home, looking after him like their own child, isn't it? Then that's a great missing. On 2 occasions, Bruno drank something that should not be eaten. What happened to him on both the time? First time he had taken that medicine and bicarbonate, and that had given him some precautions taken by the doctor, and so he was saved. Second time he had drank the engine oil, but that did not do anything to him, isn't it? Though both we have to know. Was Bruno loving and playful pet? Yes, of course. How was the problem of what to do with the Bruno finally solved? They had brought him back. Then find these words in the lessons. They all have IE or EI in the beginning or end. All that exercises will be sent to you. Next is snake train and Kathmandu. Somebody two more lessons I have to take. I will complete both the lessons. Clear to you? One more lesson is there that I will complete it. Okay. So I hope you have understood the lesson. Read at home the lessons properly. Understand it. Okay. The notes will be coming very soon. That means IE and EA. Certain things, words are there forming IE and EA. IE and second one EA. So first one F. What is the first one? LD. What can be added over there? Yes, IE, field. FIELD. Similarly, ingredients, then height, mischievous, then friends, 87, relieved, then peace. Now here are some more words, complete EI and I. Again the same only coming. Believe, receive, they are all EI will come first. Receive, believe, BELIEVE. Clear to you? Now EI, it is IE. Receive, leisure, cease, wait, rain, grieve, pierce. Then that's a popular rule of spelling I before E except for C. Some words of silent letters. Then after that, to know what food security and minimum support price means in the context of the economic growth of a country, you can go to the subject index given below from poverty and famine. An essay on entitlement and deprivation of a person. Under which heading in the index are you likely to find out? The narrative point is there. Story writing paragraph. Can you rewrite the paragraph? Understood? Then after that, completing that adverbs. Complete the following sentence using a suitable adverb ending in ly. Adverbs always end with the ly. Clearly, friendly, ly. So these are the adverbs. Understood? Grandma does her homework using a suitable adverb. Grandma does her homework. What you can say? Yes, carefully. You can say Grandma does her homework carefully. Does her homework carefully. The next one. It rains. Yes, heavily. It rains heavily. In Mumbai in June. He does his work. He does his work. First one we have written carefully. Then, so the second time he does his work. What you can say? Sincerely, yes. Sincerely. The dog serves his master. Yes, faithfully. Like this, you can make many words by adding ly. Clear to you? Now choose the most adverbs. We should dash get down from the moving train. Never, sometimes offer. We should never. I was dash in need of support after my poor performance. Badly, occasionally, sometimes. I was badly in need. Yes. Rita met with an accident. The doctor examined her suddenly, seriously, or immediately. Immediately. They are all ly is coming. They are all adverbs. Take down the following rambled version of a story that your teacher will read. After that, another one speaking is coming. Animals also feel the pressure of love and the pain of separation. So that is what we have studied in this lesson, the bond of love. That means they are feeling the pleasure of love and the pain of separation. Yes. Make a presentation by giving example from your own experience. That you can write according to you, how you felt when you kept an animal in your home, or how much love and you had given to that animal and what you had got from that animal, isn't it? So here it is saying that animals also have that same feeling what human is having, separation as well as love. Clear to you? Then pets have unique care and handling requirements and should only be kept by those with the commitment to understand and meet their needs. So only those people should keep animals at home. Those who are showing cruel attitudes to the animals should not keep any kind of pet at home. They should have that love towards those animals, isn't it? Dumb animals, they cannot open their mouth and say anything like human beings. Can they say? No, isn't it? So they feel everything, what the human feel. They feel the sense of pain, they feel the sense of love, they feel the sense of separation, everything they feel, but they are not able to say. Only that is the difference. So only those people who can understand the feelings, the emotions of these dumb animals should keep any kind of animals as a pet. Even the birds also, isn't it? Just one cage putting all kinds of birds inside it, not caring to give them food and water, how do they live? So that kind of attitude, that kind of cruelty, we should not keep, isn't it? If you want to keep a set of birds or animals over there, you have to spend your time taking care of them, giving your love and affection to them. Everything should be there as you give to your own children. Clear to you? About that you can write. There is an ongoing debate on whether snake charmers should continue in their profession. Who are the snake charmers? The people who are bringing the cakes, playing it and collecting money. Isn't it? They are the snake charmers. Then report comes in support of snake charmer up to there only. So the next is the snake train. That poem we have to take, and after that we have to go to the last only, if I were you. That is the last lesson, if I were you. With that we will come to the end of the lesson. Clear to you? So these answers, question answers and the works will be sent to you. Copy the answers or copy the notes what is coming to you. As it comes to you itself, you have to complete it. Clear to you?